Hey everyone! I'm Erin and I'm an educator at the North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher. This week we are celebrating Earth Day! Yay! The craft we will be doing today is called a leaf rub earth. The materials you need for this craft are a piece of paper, some writing or drawing utensils, a large bowl, and some leaves. Remember to try to use leaves that have already fallen to the ground rather than pulling them off trees and bushes. Plants need these leaves to make energy. The first step to this craft is to take the bowl and trace it on your piece of paper to get that circle. Next, place a leaf under your paper where you would like your land to be. I'm going to put mine right here. Then, using your writing or drawing utensil, color on top of the leaf to make the leaf rub. Like this. Repeat this step until you have all the land on your earth that you would like. Next, it's time to fill in the oceans. After you've colored in your oceans, your leaf rub earth is complete. Be sure to spend some time outdoors appreciating our beautiful planet this week, and tune in on Wednesday for story time with Casey. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope everyone stays safe and healthy and has an Earth-tastic day.